Hey everybody, today I have a quick review for you of Levoit's new air purifier, the Vital Pet Pro. So air purifiers are really nice to have, especially if you have pets, and this new model from Levoit looks to have some really nice features, so I'm excited to test it out. Getting it out of the packaging, it comes with a quick start guide, power cable, and the device itself. It is a nice clean looking design. On the top here, there's various buttons for controlling it, and there are different air quality indicators too, which is pretty cool. This front part comes off and it allows you to access the various filters and everything inside. Now, even though it has controls on the top of the unit, I do highly recommend setting it up with its app. The app is their VSync app and it's really easy to get it connected. And once you are connected, you can update its firmware, and then you can go in and you can set up schedules, you can see air quality data, enable automatic or manual mode. You can adjust the display settings, enable a control lock if you have pets or kids. There are reminders and notification settings. It actually works pretty well. Now, it's important to have the right expectations for a device like this. It's not going to move so much air that it's going to suck in all of the pet hair in your home. That would be actually impossible. But what it will do is it constantly filters the air that is in your home, removing dust, pet dander, as well as some pet hair too. And it has that 3-stage filtration that I showed you with an activated carbon layer, so it helps with removing odors. In practice, it definitely seems to cut down on dust and odors in the home, and it's really quiet too. I generally keep it in manual mode on the middle level for airflow, which is still a lot, and it's actually quieter than the air coming through the vents when my AC is running. It's also got some nice features too, like auto clean technology that automatically pushes the debris down from the filter into the waste bin on the bottom. Then you just take out the waste bin and dump it in the trash every now and then. It's very simple. And since this is designed for people with pets, they even have a braided power cable to reduce the risk of a pet chewing through it. It's a nice touch. So overall, I've been pretty happy with it. I've been using it for the past month or so, and it's been working really well. As for pricing, I'll post a link in the description. On Amazon, it's $199, which is a decent price for a solid air purifier. And one thing too that's nice, Amazon shows that the brand, Levoit, is a top brand on Amazon that's highly rated, sells a lot of products, and has a low return rate. So that definitely gives me more peace of mind. But yeah, like I said, I'm definitely happy with it. I like the Vital Pet Pro from Levoit, and I think it's definitely one you should consider if you're looking at getting an air purifier. Let me know what you guys think though, and let me know if you have any questions about it. And as always, guys, if you like this video, be sure to hit that like button, hype the video, and don't forget to subscribe for more content. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video.